My coverage of Computex 2019 was made possible by MSI and Rebel Tech. Get your own MSI laptop from Rebel Tech, whether it's for gaming, content creation, or even heavy workstation applications. There is one that will fit all your needs. How's it going, everybody? Welcome to We Do Tech and also to our Computex 2019 coverage. So Gigabyte has just unveiled some new laptops, both for Gigabyte and then for Aorus. So firstly, for Gigabyte, we have some new Aero range of laptops. We have the new Classic, the 15, the 15 OLED, and then the 17. The new Classic still keeps the same design as the previous models, but now it has 9th generation CPUs, so you can spec it out to a i9-9980HK, a RTX 2080, and it does come with a 240Hz display. Then moving on to the new Aero 15, this one comes out with a new design. It's nothing too crazy, it looks a bit different, but most importantly, it does improve cooling up to 30%, with its larger dual fans and 5 heat pipes, with an additional ventilation along the rear and the bottom. For the new 15, you get up to an i9-9980HK that boosts up to, of course, 5 GHz. It only goes up to an RTX 2070 for now. Possibly we will get an RTX 2080 because some of the other models again does come with RTX 2080, so we will have to wait and see. Then also it goes up to 64 gigs of DDR4 2666 MHz memory. Comes out with a killer E2600 Ethernet, a killer Wi-Fi 6 AX1650, and then the display is a 15.6-inch Full HD 200Hz IPS display, which of course is calibrated by X-Rite Pantone for really good colors. For the new one that people are most excited for, that is the new Aero 15 OLED. So I pretty much get the same design as the new Aero 15 with the improved cooling and all of that, and still mostly the same specs as the 15, but it does take the GPU up to an RTX 2080, and then most importantly, it does come with a 15.6-inch 4K Samsung AMOLED display, which is going to deliver excellent colors. And of course, this one is also calibrated by X-Rite Pantone, so just color reproduction is going to be excellent for this one. So if you edit photos, videos, all of that, you do heavy color grading work, this is going to be a must-have for you. Then lastly, for the Aero range, we do have the Aero 17. And just like the name implies, it's just a larger model of the 15. So you're pretty much going to get the same specs, but it's going to come in a larger body, slightly heavier, but you're going to have that larger display. You will be able to choose between full HD 144Hz or 240Hz displays, or you can go up to a 4K HDR panels. So that's pretty much it for their Aero range of laptops, but now we also have some from Aorus. So we have the Aorus 5, 7, 15, which is pretty much just a refresh, and then the 17, which is their big boy. So firstly, for the Aorus 5, it is going to be more of a budget, affordable gaming laptop, but it is rocking some decent specs with a i7-9750H, goes up to 32 gigs of memory, either a GTX 1650 or a 1050, and then it also comes out with a Full HD 15.6-inch 144Hz IPS display. Next, for the Aorus 7, we have a new 17.3-inch laptop that also comes out with a Full HD 144Hz IPS display, an i7-9750H, up to 64 gigs of memory, and it ranged between a GTX 1050 and an RTX 2060. So this one is of course just a step above the Aorus 5. Then we get into the Aorus 15. This one isn't new. I have actually done a review on the previous Aorus 15. This one just comes out with the new i7-9750H that goes up to 4.5 gigahertz. Then lastly, we have the new Aorus 17, which is their new top of the range gaming laptop or workstation laptop. So the 17 is a bit thicker than the others, of course, but it is rocking a really nice specs. You can get it either in an i9 or an i7 9th generation CPU. It's going to go up to an RTX 2080. It's going to feature a mechanical keyboard, and for the 17-inch display, you will get it either in a Full HD 144 Hz, a Full HD 240 Hz, or a 4K HDR option. And of course, all of the laptops is going to feature all Intel inside and Azure AI. So we have taken a look at Azure AI as well. It just manages all of your powers, figures out where power needs to be delivered to increase performance and where you don't really need that much. So it saves power there and it reallocates it somewhere else. So we have taken a look at that. It's nothing too crazy, but it can increase a performance here and there for you without you really needing to do anything. So that's pretty much it for our laptop coverage. If you guys like this video, please like, share, subscribe, and comment. Big thanks to MSI and Rebeltech for sending me over to Computex 2019. Without them, this would not be possible. And I'll check all of you guys next time. Cheers, guys.